Welcome to Oak Valley Estates, where luxury living meets wide open space in the heart of Marietta, Georgia. Tucked away at the corner of Macland Road and West Sandtown, this exclusive Traton Homes community offers just 23 thoughtfully crafted homes in the sought-after Hillgrove High School District. What truly sets Oak Valley Estates apart are its oversized home sites, some as large as 3 acres. Here, your backyard dreams have room to grow. Imagine the possibilities. Dive into your own private pool with no limited swim hours. Host movie nights under the stars or cozy fireside gatherings. Watch the kids run free and your pets explore safely right in your own backyard. Forget crowded neighborhoods. At Oak Valley Estates, you'll enjoy space, serenity, and the freedom to think big. Outdoor adventure is steps away with Mud Creek next door and the Mud Creek Soccer Complex just across the street. You're also minutes from Kennesaw Mountain National Park, West Cobb Aquatic Center, golf courses, hiking trails, and so much more. Need a night out or a day of retail therapy? You're close to the Avenue West Cobb and the vibrant Marietta Square, where year-round festivals, dining, shopping, and entertainment await. Inside each home, beauty meets functionality. Each spacious home features 4 to 5 bedrooms, flexible living spaces, gourmet kitchens, and luxurious owner retreats, designed for the way you live. Discover altogether more: oversized home sites, exceptional school district, and upscale features at Oak Valley Estates by Traton Homes. Proud to be voted Best Builder in Cobb County 5 years in a row. Visit TratonHomes.com to learn more and find your home today.